Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to download and install Epic Games Launcher on Android phone. Follow these easy steps to download Epic Game Launcher on your phone. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome browser on your phone and then search for Galaxy Store. All you have to need, open Galaxy Store and now tap on the search icon at the top right, and in the search box search for Epic Games, and here all you have to need, just tap on install, and it may take some time to download the Epic Game Launcher on your phone. It depends on your internet speed. And here you can see the Epic game has been successfully installed. Now I'm going to open, and here you will find Fortnite game, and here we can see Rocket League, and install Epic Game Launcher on our Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.